How to view your comment history on TikTok. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device and log into your account. Then click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. After you've done that, at the bottom, click on Settings and Privacy. After you're in Settings and Privacy, in here, scroll down and click on Activity Center. In here, click on Comment History. After you click on Comment History in here, you will find all your comment history of TikTok in here. And this is how to view your comment history on TikTok. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.